welcome to my channel. My name is Tamar and today we're gonna make chocolate Pareve Rugelach. No dairy, no butter, no margarine, oil-based Rugelach with a cocoa homemade filling that we're gonna make. This war that Israel is now fighting, on one hand we're defeating our enemies and it's a great feeling, but there's also really tough days where news comes in about someone you know or a friend's cousin that's injured or killed, God forbid. So there's really tough days, and I think that chocolate, homemade, baked good can help to cheer everyone up. And especially part of this batch we're going to give to someone we know who was recently injured, a courageous soldier that was just injured, and I think that will really make him and his family happy. Rugelach originated in Jewish Eastern European communities, pretty similar to a challah dough, and also you should knead it for about 10 minutes till it's nice and smooth. Rise till it doubles in size. I'm going to take the dough, and about a third of it I'm going to make a first batch where I'm going to learn how I can improve, and then I'll make 2/3 of it as the real Rugelach batch. Wow. I'm going to make it super thin. I know a lot of people, you fold Rugelach and there's different ways to fold it, but I think that a really cool hack is to just do one level of very thin dough, and on top of it a level of the cocoa filling as much as you can. People love as much filling as you can put in, and that just makes it easier, no folding, nothing complicated, just one layer and one layer. The first batch comes out pretty good, but the top is kind of hard, and the way to make it more soft is to cover it with a towel. Okay, so take whichever one you want. I have my opinion on these.
I want Swedish cinnamon one next time.
Thank you. Amen. So the cocoa filling is really simple. You add about a cup of cocoa, a cup of sugar, and about half a cup of oil, maybe a little bit more as needed, to make it kind of like a hummus texture. You want it to be like a chocolate spread that you would buy. Okay, what we're gonna do, we're gonna take it out. Whoa. My dough didn't really need to be cold, but some people say it needs to be cold. Here, you start doing it that way. You're also going to get a chance, okay? Here, do it that way. There you go. Roll it in. There. Ooh, yeah, good job. It's to be super thin. Now what we're going to do is we're going to spread. Spread. Take a spoon and spread. Let it also a cheek spread, okay? You're doing a great job. Fill it.
Which one to go between?
You want it? Oh.
You're
rolling it nicely? Rolling.
You can go and wait and
very nice. Very good, Ayala.
I'm trying to do my best now. I like it because it's chocolate. I want to put tomatoes. I want to put.
You want to do the egg wash? Could she also do a little bit, Ayala?
A little egg wash.
Because I want this time, I want it to be soft top, so I'm going to put a towel right over it so that it gets soft. I don't want to dip it in sugar because I personally don't like the sugar. And this is the one that mostly the kids made. So we're going to put this in the oven now for 15 minutes.
קרואסונים מוכן, שלי קרואסון. בא לי ככה. זה הקרואסונים האלה?
Absolutely.
זה מה זה טעים!
Listen, I think this time it can't be.
Is it We're getting yummy stuff from
Is it yummy?
Yes. Can I try for more than two? Do you want to try for mine? Yes. My dad is crunchy.
It's crunchy?
Yeah. And now that's for mine.
Plate is gonna go for someone, for a Chayal Gibor, for someone that was actually injured in the war just now. Shtayim, 2, 3, 8.
מה אפשר עוד אחד כי כל אלה שלנו.
10.
כל אלה שלנו. לא אם זה שלנו.
Should I give him just which one? One more?
נראה
This
לי
one?
זה כן זה. כולם שלנו, כל השאר שלנו. נכון אלצ'וק? נכון.
Wow. Guys, you did a great, who did a great job? Who did a great job?
אני.
So this platter is going to go to someone who was just injured in the war, a Chayal Gibor, so we're going to give it to him and his family. They just were released from the hospital. Thank God he's feeling great, so we're going to give him these.